Man, I didn't record those shots. That's crazy.
So yeah. And you feel comfortable right here with your kneeling supported,
Yeah.
and standing supported right here?
I'll be good with those.
Okay.
All right, how are we looking?
You're good.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, that didn't feel bad.
Do this again. With the with the kneeling supported, do you like having that on top right here?
I do. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
I like having the underside of the barrel right here.
Okay.
So I can C cup it from the top.
Okay.
That felt like a speed run.
Yeah, it kind of did.
Yeah.
We went through it quick. I don't know if that's how it is or not.
Yeah, it's the reloading. You gotta
Yeah.
next one because the targets are still up. Oh.
One mic. All right.
Fires at this time, go ahead and lock your first 10-round magazine.
I can load.
Go ahead and move your selector switch from safe to semi and watch your lane.
Watch your lane. First 150 right. Unsupported, 100 meters. $150.
Sorry, 150.
$50 left, 150, 200. 50 left, 150, 200. $150, 250, 300. Gonna be all four. First one's going to be 100 meters. 100 meters. $150, 300. $150, 300. $200, 300. $200, 300. $250, 300. $150, 250, 300. Clean support, clean support. First one's going to be 50 left, 100, 200. 50 left, 100, 200.
50 left, 100, 200.
$50 right, 200. 50 right, 200. $150, 250. $150, 250. $100, 150, 200. $100, 150, 200. Those things, 40 is going to be 50 left, 100. 50 left, 100. 50 right, 100, 150. 50 right, 100, 150. 100, 200, 250.
100, 200, 250.
You good to clear? You did a lot better on that one. Too.
Oh yeah, that felt good.
Yeah.
Lane 1, 3-4. Lane 2, 3-5.
3.5, nice.
2-7.
Let's go.
3-0.
Let's go. We were hot today.
Yeah.
We were hot today. This is a good lane. If I shoot again, I'm coming back to this one. I think it's my first iteration was good with the first mag.
Yeah.
I think that set me up.
Once you started doing that, then it went smooth sailing
Yeah.
like that.
One of them, it was bad. I had I think it was right here. I had the monopod here.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
And
you switched.
yeah, so I popped it and it slipped. So like the round went off. I was like, oh shoot. So I should have, just like I was doing before, C-cupping down
Yeah.
with the barrel under.
You good to get cleared off the range.
Fantastic. Hey, appreciate it, Sarnt.
No problem. Here's yours.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. I'll probably be back.
Okay. Lane 3. Lane 1.
Let's get it, Sarnt Thomas. Let's get it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Hunter. Too easy.
Lane 3, LC Alonzo.
Boom. 35.
Ah, one off the expert.
I know, right? I gotta go back. You got this, Sarnt?